So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix mouse cursor disappears on Windows 11. So the first way is to restart graphics driver. For this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Windows plus B key on your keyboard together, and this will restart your graphics driver. And once you do this, the cursor should appear again. If the issue is still not resolved, then update the mouse drivers. For this, press Windows key, tap Device Manager, press Enter. Now press Tab and scroll down using the arrow key until you reach Mice and other pointing devices section. Now press right arrow key to expand it. Now here select HID compliant mouse. Now after selecting it, press Shift plus F10 key on your keyboard, and this will open this menu. Here select Update Driver, press Enter. Now here click Search automatically for drivers, press Enter, and this will update the driver, and this should fix the issue. In case the issue is still not resolved, then restart your PC. For this, press Alt plus F4 key on your keyboard, and this will open Shutdown Windows menu. Here use up and down arrow key to switch the modes. Right now it is on switch user. Press down key. Now it says sign out. Press again. Now it says sleep. Press again. Now it says shutdown. Press again, and this says restart. Press enter, and this will restart your PC. So once you do this, it will fix the issue of mouse cursor disappearing on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.